Mike Clough, Editor-in-Chief at Fiction Vortex. I'm going to be going over how to set your indents at the beginning of your paragraphs so that they don't throw off your text formatting, but also doing so with the ruler option in Word and also in Google Docs. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post or copy some text in here, some good old Bacon Ipsum I pulled off the internet. You're going to see here that right now the indents are not being used. It's all set to left justified. I can go in here to each paragraph if I wanted to and push tab, and it's going to go ahead and give me indents. Going to push tab again, gives me indents. Push tab again, gives me indents. That's manually placed. Otherwise, I can go ahead and just use the option to go through and selecting all. I can use this ruler up here and set the indentation myself. Pretty simple. Now, if I had a paragraph that I needed to remove that beginning indentation, the reason being sometimes there's formatting guides, sometimes there's just preference. If I wanted to have one paragraph not use that first indentation, I can just go back and adjust it that way. Now what happens when I go ahead and put this into a Google document? I can select all this text, copy it all, and go ahead and put it into a Google Doc. I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's thinking, spinning wheel of unhappiness. Part of that reason why it takes a while to do that is it has a heck of time transferring things over from Word. Now, the best way to do it is to upload the Word document into your Google Docs drive and then convert it into a Google Doc from there. But if I was to come through here and see what I could do, you'll notice that even though I did set the document up the right way, and previously it still has issues with the indentations coming through. So what we want to do is make sure that we are using the feature, not using the tab option, but using the feature, the ruler feature, to set all the indentations, especially if you are converting it from a Word document to a Google Drive. You're going to see something here. I use the tab button myself on this, and that's why it stayed that way. So now if I select all and go ahead and put it back, it's going to fix it, but sometimes it'll give us an extra tab like that when we go through the formatting. So to avoid those issues, it's just easiest to go ahead and use the ruler option up above in Word and in the Google Docs. Once that's done, you shouldn't have to worry about it, and it's very easy. Now make sure you don't grab this whole bottom right there, otherwise it's going to move the whole thing over, which isn't a bad thing if you're using some type of insert text, depending on the style guide that you're using. So that's the basics of using the ruler option in Google Docs and Word. Go ahead and make sure that you check out Fiction Vortex, but also check out our app, Fictionite.io. Great place. You can go ahead and download the app either on the App Store or Google Play, and I guarantee you'll love it. Thank you.